back to Infinity Platter. In this series of exploring restaurants in Barcelona, we're at yet another Indian restaurant called Tandoor. Restaurant Tandoor prides itself for using local ingredients to create Indian flavors for Spanish locals. The man behind Tandoor is Ivan Surinder. Let's go meet him. Hi Ivan, how are you doing? Thank you for having us here.
Hi Yash, thank you for you to coming here and giving us the opportunity to share with you a little bit of our knowledge.
Oh, you're most welcome. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm a second generation Indian born in Barcelona. Cooking was always one of the things that I really enjoyed.
So tell us about your journey as a chef and then a restaurateur.
Becoming a chef was natural to me. I won't say it was easy, but having the restaurant and working with my father alongside him, it felt very natural to become part of the business and now trying to expand it a little bit. So I feel very happy of doing this and the way also we're doing it.
Okay, was your father a chef also?
Yeah, I mean he was the first Indian chef coming into Barcelona in '84. So basically I just worked for my father and his friends. Had the opportunity to work at Tickets from Albert Adrià for a year and a half, and then every summer I tried to go to San Sebastian where my father has a few friends of Euskadi. So these Basque cooks, they are very tough, but they teach you very well. Then also being able to work with Albert Adrià for a year and a half, and what I got really was the opportunity to know how to run a business, how to run a professional kitchen nowadays.
Wow, that's a good experience to have. Yeah. So I'm actually getting tempted to try some of the dishes. Maybe we can go to the kitchen and see how they make them?
Of course, we can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
Okay, this looks like an incredible feast. So I can recognize the classics like butter chicken and naan and the chicken kebab, but these look really inventive and new. Can you tell me a little bit?
Yeah, of course. I mean, that's why we try to mix up both of the cultures, the Spaniard and the Indian. So, for example, and don't blame me, but I will explain what is this. This is our take on Bangan Bharta.
Wow.
We feel that there is not enough finger food in Indian culture.
That's true.
So that's why we were thinking about what we do if we need a canapé type of a starter. So that's why we thought if we do a mini naan and we puree a little bit more the Bangan Bharta and we put some of those elements on top of it, maybe we can create a good mouthful. So that's the take on that. I was explaining you before about dal and Spanish that they don't like all our dals. So we did our hummus. So this is traditional mathri with a little bit of carrot and of course our chana dal hummus. I was telling you about our mutton galoti kebab, but instead of doing it on a round shape, we did it on a straight shape just to resemble a little bit the Spanish croquette. We put it on a bed of black pepper just because when it's a little bit heat, the black pepper releases a little bit of aroma.
Oh.
So just to play a little bit and have all this spread, they can feel things, just not just the eating.
Yeah.
Visually and I mean trying to make a full experience.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, first you kind of eat with your eyes.
Of course.
And then you taste it. Okay, let's start.
Please.
This Bangan ka bharta is so intriguing.
Just one mouthful.
Okay. That's really, really nice. I get the Bangan ka bharta once I put in, but it doesn't look like it. What were the tiny green balls on top of it?
Tiny green balls are basil olive oil capsules. Please try our hummus and let me know what you think.
Okay.
So as you can see, the texture it resembles a hummus, but we don't put garlic in it, we don't put tahini in it. Of course, we put piyaj and chaat masala and jeera, and just a little bit of grains of it.
Oh yeah, my mouth says it's familiar.
Yeah, it was important for me that the table resembles a tapas place. We have different plates, we have different colors. So when you see the table, it makes you happy.
Yeah.
It's full of flavor, full of colors, and after all, that's what dining out is.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will dine in your house.
Yeah.
So we love to treat you, we love to serve you in a way that it's innovative and
Yeah.
it's new.
And it's fun.
Otherwise, you won't come into a restaurant.
I like that I can use these for the hummus.
Yeah.
Oh, these are like such fun snacks to eat back at home. Oh, I'm try the galati.
Yeah. Let's try the
I
croquette.
just take it like this.
Of course.
That's really good. I remember the first time I ate galati was in Lucknow. Oof. Bringing back some of those memories. Oof, this butter chicken looks like the butter chicken we eat back at home. Next time I'm gonna bring my husband because this is his favorite.
I mean, if we don't do good this dish, maybe we should think about doing another type of food.
Classic as always.
I mean, it doesn't get better than this.
Yes. I wanted to show you their best-selling dessert. Ivan, what exactly is this?
So we've taken inspiration from Vineet Bhatia and we did our own chocolate samosa. We do a ganache, chocolate ganache with a little bit of cardamom. And the ice cream, it's coconut milk with lime zest and cardamom also. So the best way is just to bite a little bit of the samosa
Okay.
and take a spoonful of the ice cream. So you play with the hot and the cold, and it refreshes you a little bit the palate.
Oh wow.
And chocolate is
It's so delicate. It's like
yeah.
it's like puff pastry. It's very.
It is a very good pastry that we buy.
Oh, I think this is actually my favorite one.
It's
Favorite
oozing
dish.
a little
Yeah.
chocolate.
Can I show you guys? Ooh.
I think we should continue eating.
I think we should. Let's first say goodbye to
Yeah,
everybody.
of course.
So guys, if you come to Barcelona, don't miss out on coming to Tandoor and having a very, very memorable meal. We can say bye to Ivan now and then we'll continue our feast.
Yeah, I mean, let us please eat, and then you can also share the video and all this. I mean, you are the
Yeah,
one. Yeah,
yeah.
So subscribe and do all the things. You know them. Bye bye.
Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future recipes and adventures. Until next time.
Bye bye.